Hello, I'm Shubham Rathi, working as Senior Analytics Consultant with Decision Point. I have been with the company for 5 years now. What keeps me excited working at Decision Point is being able to work with the latest tools and technologies to produce cutting edge work, be it developing analytics tools or insight studies. Also, that we have a lot of freedom and flexibility in our work culture. That is something which I like. People here are encouraged to take up more responsibilities, and team members help each other to overcome difficulties which arise in the project. I think my contribution brings great value to Decision Point, and the work which we perform leads to decisions being driven in the market, as well as we develop the ability with our clients to make these decisions more frequently using data and analytics. What is exciting about my role specifically as an engagement manager is being able to work with senior stakeholders in large multinational firms and driving actionability through analysis. Also, what keeps me excited is solving challenging problems on a day to day basis and keep developing myself as an analytics oriented person who can effectively deliver frameworks to solve specific business problems. When faced with a challenging problem, the first thing I would do is to break the problem down into smaller parts, try to develop some hypotheses and some possible solutions to those parts after brainstorming with the colleagues. And lastly, would be to get started. Get started on any of the hypotheses with some analysis or develop any of the solutions and take action basically as soon as possible. Because once we have something regarding the problem, then only we can build upon. So, yeah, that would be my approach to solve any challenging problem or any problem as a matter of fact. So, I would list down a few skills which will be key to succeed as a project or an engagement lead in Decision Point. Firstly, and the most important one will be to have an analytics oriented mindset and being comfortable with data and numbers since a lot of our work revolves around data sets. Next would be being reliable and having clarity of mind and a structured thought process. So you will be responsible to execute the entire project with your team. So reliability here is a must. Uh, on that part only, since you will be responsible for executing the entire project, next skill which comes to mind is being able to work with multiple team members and cross-functional teams. So in the project, in any projects which you are involved, multiple teams will be involved who are responsible for executing certain tasks. So an engagement manager must be very efficient and very effective in assigning these tasks and also leading the communications across the team. And lastly, having good time management skills and being able to take up more responsibilities, being able to groom team members will take you to another level here in Decision.